started day 2 in Berlin with the most amazing muesli bowl I have ever had. This fresh fruit was so good and so creamy. And then we walked through a little park on our way to see some things. It was another beautiful sunny day. It wasn't too hot yet. Then I realized I needed to make an emergency stop, and I realized their tampons actually look like candy, but they're not candy. And they don't have applicators in Germany, which I thought was very strange too. So then we went to the cemetery. This is the Dorotheenstadt Cemetery. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. Apparently at the cemetery, they love statues of women looking down forlornly. There were so many of these statues of women doing this. And then we found this grave of somebody that was very much loved, and she also died very young, but it was very beautiful to see all of these flowers on her grave. I found this mausoleum crypt, I don't even know what to call this, and I thought it was very understated. I think I would like to be buried in this manner at some point. We also found a freshie. No idea who was going in here, but apparently they were in the process of adding them to the situation. And we just kept walking through the graveyard. I love old graveyards, especially in Europe, because they're just so beautiful and peaceful, and you just don't see graveyards like this here, and sometimes you see quirky things like that. This was the Jewish temple. It's just absolutely beautiful. And the TV tower, which is a very famous landmark. We didn't actually make it over there because my feet hurt. There's so many little cool, eclectic shops. And here's the Fred Perry store. Lots of cool places to shop in Berlin. This store was amazing. Everything was black and so cool, but so expensive. And then for lunch, we stopped at this little outdoor place, but I got attacked by bees because I was dumb and I ordered a sugary drink. Then we went to the Weissensee Cemetery. I hope that's how you pronounce it. This is the Jewish cemetery. This is the largest Jewish cemetery in Europe. I think they said there's 150,000 graves here, and I just thought that it was really incredible because it's right in the middle of Berlin, which is was Nazi Germany, and somehow this amazing, beautiful, historic place survived that war when so many things didn't. So I thought it was a really magical place to be. Definitely very quiet and peaceful and lovely. I highly recommend, if you're ever in Berlin, to stop by this cemetery. And I also loved how respectful people were. Sometimes you see these old cemeteries, you'll see something like this where inside there's like drug paraphernalia and things have been smashed. But the cemetery was generally really respected. It was very clean and taken care of in the way of like people not disrespecting. So we ended the day in a random casino. It was very quiet and I won. Hooray!